This is Moebius's Battlestar Pegasus. Everyone knows it comes with a poly bag. Even says Pegasus on the stand, which is very cool. The body's pretty slick, well engineered, I believe. Detail of the model. There's a few spots that not a lot of detail, but strip styrene will take care of that. I know most everyone's going to build the Pegasus. I went a different route. I am building the Battlestar Atlantis BS-99. I'm also decided to light it. I started with the fiber optics on the landing bay. And then the tedious of wiring up the engines. Now when you get the kit, you'll notice that the sidearms here, there ain't nothing. So you can use a pair of graphics, fill in the gaps, or BHP resin ones, which I'm going to go with these because I want the more bulkier look. And what else? The one thing that's going to drive me completely insane is drilling out all them little holes in that inside trench. However, Paragraphics has a nice little template for it. But it should be pretty fun. It's a simple model, but quite a few part count on it too.